am live. Let me double check, make sure my audio is good, and we'll go from there. I do have everything open, like all my socials open. Double check, make sure my audio is good, and we'll go from there. I do have everything open, like all my socials open. Double check. Okay, so that being said, I'm going to try to fix this, troubleshoot this real quick. Bear with me. I am just now figuring all of this out. I just set my OBS up today. That's actually how I'm streaming this, through OBS and another streaming software called Restream. So that being said, let me figure out how I need to go about this. But we are live, and I'm gonna mute myself. Okay, so let's see. Excuse my appearance. Yeah, I'm just kind of doing what I can do today. Let's see. I don't know if this is gonna do anything. No. Let's go on and remove that. So if you see me looking up, I have two screens. I'm actually looking at my second screen, which is kind of further up. And I know as everybody's coming in, I know my my audio is terrible right now. Not necessarily in the fact of it's, which is kind of further up. Oh. And I know as everybody's coming in, I know my my audio is. Okay, there we go. It's the first time we're figuring this out. You know, it is what it is. Whatever. Just bear with me a little bit. We're troubleshooting as we go. Okay. So, I'm trying to, let's see, advanced audio properties? Ah, haha. So, I'm going to sync my offset. Let's do 20 milliseconds. Let's see if that works. I don't think it will. Let's see. USB audio. Okay. Like I said, I'm just troubleshooting everything right now. It's probably going to be like this for the first couple of minutes. Like I said, this is my first time live streaming off of OBS. So just give me a little bit of leeway here. Ah, look it. Okay, so we're live everywhere now. That's really cool, guys. I'm actually really loving this. This is awesome. Okay. Just bear with me a little bit. We're troubleshooting as we go. I don't know, but I think my video might be a little bit choppy. Let me know. Is my video a little bit choppy? I think it might be. I'm not 100% sure, but let me know. Okay. Let's see. Let's see live chat. Hold on. My computer doesn't really like me right now. It's okay. I've been working on my computer a lot today, and I restarted it, but yeah. Oh, nope, that's not what I wanted. Exit out of that. Let's see. Cool. Oh, I went too far. Abort mission. Okay, so for everybody who's here, which I know it's not going to be a lot of people, but for everybody who's here, welcome. I know I'm going to get some feedback on my audio and everything tomorrow from people who tuned in that I know. And I'm going to figure out how to fix it, because right now I don't think it's necessarily the best. I'm also going to tilt this up a little bit. There we go. Then let's move this a little bit out of frame. Perfect. All right. So, as everybody's coming in, I wanted to go over actually what I'm doing right now. So today, this idea actually came to me today when I was making my coffee this morning, strangely enough. And I've past few days have been a little bit rough. I just, couldn't get into the swing of things. Kind of had to take some time off, and it kind of threw me off. So I wanted to figure out a way that I would be able to hold myself accountable and get back on the saddle. So I kind of came up with the idea of live streaming because I did buy equipment to do so, and it's been a week or so that I've had this mic, and then I've been through a couple of webcams and all of that, and then I remembered I have this little handy dandy 4K thing that all I needed was a capture card, and I got a capture card off Amazon, which works actually pretty decently. Right now I know the lag is, I really don't know what the lag is, to be honest with you. It was working fine earlier. I think it might be my computer. I'm gonna have to go clean it up and all that good stuff, but yeah, that being said, here we are, and I'm literally just trying to kind of just get back on the saddle and get the hang of things. So I kind of challenged myself to do the 100 days of code. And because I'm doing the 100 days of code, what I want to do is I'm working on this project with a couple of people. I'm working on it with Logan, Amanath, and David. They're all around the world. They're not joining in today's stream. Sorry, I'm bringing all the chats up. I really don't know what's left. There we go. But I'm doing this project with them, and I was like, okay, so how can I work on this project? How can I do 100 days of code while also participating in the course that I won? For those of you who didn't know, I did win a total of 5 courses from Clever Programmer. They're a tech channel here. They actually have a lot of good tutorials on how to program in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python. So if you haven't checked out their channel, go check out their channel. But I participated in a competition with them, and I won 2nd place. And the prize was access to all their courses. And I'm currently focusing on JavaScript, but that's going to change with this project coming up. Needless to say, I wanted to find a way to balance all of these aspects of my life. And I mean, I have literally nothing else going on right now. I'm a quarantine hairstylist, and because I'm in Texas, I don't know when everything's going to open up due to the illness. I am live on YouTube, so I do gotta watch what I say, but I don't know when everything's gonna open up again and open up to full capacity here due to the illness. So that being said, I'm just kind of playing it by ear, and this is what I've been doing literally the entire time. And I figured I wanted to start YouTube. Why not? So, needless to say, let's get into what I'm actually doing, because I can sit here and ramble literally all day long about and say the same thing 10 different ways. So that being said, let's go on and get into what I'm working on. So right now what I'm working on is a project, like I said, with David, Amanath, and Logan. Sorry, I listed it out weird. I read something and yeah. Anyways, my brain doesn't multifunction very well sometimes. Multitask, multifunction, whatever. But that being said, I'm working on a project with them, and it is actually an artificial intelligence project. So what the concept behind it was, oh, it would be cool if we could translate the way somebody talks into the way somebody else talks, right? So it would be really cool if I could translate the way I talk into the way that my teammate David talks. and yeah, go from there. So really, what we had talked about it with, Logan and I were on a a live call, and we were just messing around, and we were like, what if we made a Trump translator? And then we were like, but wait, that's actually a pretty dang good idea. So what we're doing is we're finding a way to take tweets that a specific. I have two dogs, by the way. They're right over here on a bed, and they're of course playing when they haven't played like all day, and now they're being loud. So if I have to duck down a minute, I'm grabbing them some treats so they shut up. But anyways, Logan was like, okay, what if we take the tweets that Trump has tweeted out? We all know the way he talks. He talks like a 5-year-old. And have user input and translate that into the way Donald Trump talks. You know, just for fun, just because we can do it, and why not? We learn AI, it gets us excited, and yeah, that was that.